Hi everyone, welcome to my video. I am John Fidelis Maginay, first year student currently taking BSBA major in Financial Management at Liceo de Caria University. Today, I'll take you through my daily life as a student and discuss how information technology impact me and society. The impact of information technology. Positive impact of IT is education. Like, para sa ito karon online class, para sa gibat ganina, nagtanaw ko og kanang information about your result through online, through YouTube, social media, and research, education. And second is communication. Staying connected with friends and family, tapos mas dali ka maka-communicate or makapadala og kanang message or unsa tong kailangan ingon sa ilaha. And pang-second is convenience, like online shopping like Shopee, Lazada, TikTok shop like Grab and everything, hindi ka kailangan maglakaw. And banking, like para karon sa man ang mga online banks karon, GoTime, GCash, and Maya. Like pwede na ito buhaton nga nara to sa balay ngayon na ito magawas, makabayad ta sa ito mga bayronon. Also, the information technology has a negative impact, like online games. Like ibis na tayo pang buhaton, di na ito mabuhat kaya tungod sa nag-scroll sa TikTok nga nalingaw ta. So muna sa kamuban po is kanang ibis mag-eskwela, di na mag-eskwela kayo magdulakay na lang inana. And the second one is privacy and security risk, like cyberbullying, na uso makaya karon sa Facebook nga unsa mang bully-bully mga tao, may face shame and everything. Third negative impact is health issues like eye strain, sakit sa mata, yung mga ulo, tapos posture pa rin, kaya magsigag ka na magduko na ka, magdula ka, dili na proper imong posture. IT has transformed my daily life and society in many ways. While provide convenience and efficiency, we must be mindful for its challenges. Let's use technology wisely and responsibly. Thank you for watching.